So like we need to figure out like an experiment. Like what are like the rules? She's gonna have the thing, and then what?
Yes. Oh. Yes.
I'm gonna fuck you up.
Because you wouldn't do that to a normal.
Like a bad guy wouldn't do that. So I have to like.
He'd probably just haymaker her.
Should I hit her?
I vote yes. I want to see the end result.
Like a slap.
I mean, she could be mad at you and translates over
If
at
you
home.
slap her, it's only assault
Yeah,
battery. If
but-
I slap her, it's domestic violence.
Yeah, then I leave and she forgets about it the next day.
Yeah.
You know? But you go home.
You want to be the bad guy?
No. I'm just kidding.
We're going to be reviewing and sort of comparing the Sabre flashlight stun gun and the Vipertek flashlight stun gun. And we're going to run some trials to see if this is an effective self-defense tool or weapon or whatever. This isn't going to be scientific. This is going to be skewed. I don't have any motivation. I don't want anything from her. I'm not angry. I'm scared to death of electricity. I'm not on crack. You know? You've got a flashlight, right? Mm-hmm. And then you've got down is...
The taser. Whoa.
Yeah.
Right? So you need to get comfortable with that first. First step, get comfortable.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. I keep it zipped because that's normal.
Yeah. This is a foregone conclusion. Some of you are already looking and you already know where I'm going with this, but we're just going to run it to be complete. You'll be the judge. I'll make it clear to you. I can at this point do whatever I want.
Yeah.
If she can last 2 minutes.
Uh-oh. Come on, she didn't get in the first now? She didn't even... Wait, did she get it? No. Yeah, there you go. Yes! Yes.
Diapers.
Minute 30. It's about there. 1 minute. Down. It's the other way. Back the other way, Kristen. There you go. Fine. Just saying in a real life scenario, she would have already known how to use that.
Had practice.
Yeah.
So we need training. Training and practice.
Like she just got in the mail and just so happened a minute later.
Right.
Some
So
guy
that's
tried to
it.
mug her.
So like I said, we already knew what would happen. She had trouble getting it out.
Yeah.
She doesn't always carry a purse. You know, it was in the purse. You had to find it. There was fucking diapers.
That's real life.
Yeah, exactly. So in your purse, without training, this shit's not gonna work any better than any other thing that you could maybe hit somebody with. It's just in your pocket.
Yeah.
You shouldn't have. I wish I didn't know. I wish you'd have just been like, "Come on,
You
motherfucker."
asked.
Yeah, well, I saw it. I don't want you to ever feel defeated. Like even if I hit you like a bunch of times and I'm on top and I'm hitting you, we'll just know after action, you know, debriefing. Those might have been big shots, but I don't like the idea of, oh, you're out. They're never out. The bad guy can be out, but I don't think the good guy should ever be out. There's no real reason to train. If this happens, you lose, in my opinion.
Yes.
I'm gonna fuck you up.
No. Get his head. His hand? Anything.
Oh, my nuts.
Yeah, there it is. Keep it on the butt.
Swing around, get him on the foot.
Uh-oh. Yeah, kick him. There you go. Get away. Get up. 45 seconds.
Shit!
Put on his foot. Put on his foot. seconds. Up. 20 seconds. Up. Wrong way. 15 seconds.
Come on, fight, Kristen, fight.
All right.
Jay, what do you see so far?
She's still like novice with it. I mean,
Yeah.
she's still like.
But there's a very important lesson here.
But you
Yeah,
can
but I
see,
feel like if you have it switched into that mode, it doesn't matter if the button's small or not because it has to be switched in that mode. I would prefer a bigger button.
you can watch her confidence fly through the roof when she knows she's got that in her hand and she's ready to swing it.
Yeah. There's two really big lessons here. One, especially when the thing comes out and I hear the noise,
Yeah.
I become fixated on it. That's real. Weapon fixation is real. Both of us are fixated on it.
Oh yeah.
Each of us had more success with the freehand, she had more success with her fighting than with that. But the problem is, most people, women and guys, buy that shit, put it in their purse or pocket or whatever,
Don't use it.
and then that's it.
Yeah.
They show their buddies, hey, look at this.
Yeah.
Once every once in a while. Yeah, it's in your hand, and I'll give you the whole mat length.
Yep, getting nervous. Turn the light off.
What the fuck is that?
Get up. Get him.
Come on, babe. Let's go.
Oh shit.
Oh, you had him. You had his back. Oh. Yes, you got it back. Find the button. Find the button. Find the button. There you go. Find the button. Do his arm.
You fought well.
Dude, you're so close so many times. You know, I thought you can see though. You can see that the button is an issue too.
Yeah, it's too
You
small.
know, she kept looking for it. If that button was a little bit bigger.
And then the
she would've
fight.
found-
On more practice and more practice. I'm not.
I'm still
So-
my finger still hurts.
Oh yeah, you can't criticize that.
I'm not saying that this is not viable. The point of this experiment is the amount of training required to make it work. So I'm going arguably 25-30%.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I mean, I'm roughing her up, but I'm not turning over punches. I'm not double legging her. I keep getting hooks and then I keep taking them off because the bad guy wouldn't do that. And she's doing good with fighting me.
Did you mean to buzz me?
No, you did that.
See, I buzzed myself. If I did this.
Yeah, then I still try to come at you.
So, team,
Oh shit.
see, you got to practice with that thing. And I think there's probably something these companies could do. I think there's some more.
I'm not.
All right.
I think there's some more R&D that can be done to make the execution a little smoother. This one's from Sabre, which is like a reputable company, and it feels like it's made better. Like, feel them. This one
Yeah.
feels
Yes. Yeah.
made better.
Heavy.
The Vipertek one is definitely stronger and louder. Which one do you like better?
This one.
You like this one? Why?
Is it smaller? Oh, I guess it's not that. Yeah, it's a little bit smaller. But to hurt someone, obviously that one.
It's louder
So I
and it
guess
hurts more.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
that
think
one.
so.
If this came in black and it was smoother.
It does.
The color is
I want black.
Yeah.
Are you
I
guys
feel safer with a black flashlight.
I do.
are you guys hearing the same joke in there that I'm hearing?
Yeah, I just didn't want to.
How much is that?
This is $13.
Yeah, that's crazy.
It seems like this would
only
be
20.
super expensive. This was only
Yeah,
20.
That's crazy.
I'll put links down in the description below to both of these. I think if you already need a flashlight to like walk your dog or whatever, this one will do. It doesn't quite have like the blinding output like some of the other flashlights that we've recommended. But this alone, I think is a pretty powerful deterrent. Now, who wants to say it?
If you need more fitness tips, self-reviews, and concepts and principles.
Wrong!
I'm not even gonna try because I always fuck it up.
And we're out.